Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're back to discuss our Hydroblast high pressure parts washer. We do have two different styles of parts washers. We have automatic parts washers which clean more with heat. They clean with lower pressure at a little bit slower of a pace. That's automated, but this one is a very high pressure parts washer that cleans still with heat and an aqueous-based detergent at very high pressures. You're looking for this one about 12 to 1700 PSI. We do have some variation in the PSI as well. We also have a Hydroblast Max that goes to 4000 PSI, but this machine is great because it only uses aqueous-based detergents, so there's no media embedment with this process, but also it's great for a high-paced rebuild. If you just need something to put your parts in, get the greases, get the oils, get everything off, this is the machine for you. It's just gonna take that stuff off like butter. Very quick, very easy. To recap the machine, here you have a wiper, so you have better visibility inside of the cabinet. The heater is over here on the side. This will make your machine a 220 single phase. You have 12 to 1700 PSI coming out of that pump down there. You have an inline filter down here at the bottom. You also have filters underneath of your floor that are more of the bag style filters. Inside you have an air nozzle to dry your parts off after you're done washing them. And you have two of the 2-foot LED light strips inside of this cabinet. So we're gonna take these oil pump gears sitting right here. We're gonna put them in this parts washer. We're gonna see how quickly it can clean these oil pump gears off. Stay tuned for the results. So as you can see here, we were using the variable 12 to 1700 PSI. You do have a little bit of an adjustable gun where you can get more of a fan spray, more of a jet spray. That's what makes that PSI variable. But you can see how quickly it cleaned these up. If you're not looking for more of like an appearance finish, you're just looking for oils and greases and grimes to be cleaned off of your parts, this is definitely the machine for you, especially if you're a high pace shop because it does it at pace with that PSI. All of the features on this really give you some more backup as well and make your experience more efficient. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Our number is 828-202-5563.